Welcome to my next video. Today's session, we will be covering how to set reminders and how to attach documents in TallyPrime. Just for a demo purpose, I have created a scenario here. There are two people in this slide, Mr. Dev and Mr. Tally. Dev is talking to Tally and asking some kind of requirement. Basically, he wanted to know whether he can set reminders for various renewals like vehicle insurance, trade license renewal, employee visa, Emirates ID, passports, business contract renewal, and also he wanted to know whether he can attach suppliers and customers check issued and received, labor contracts, business contracts with customers and suppliers, trade licenses of suppliers and customers, TRN numbers of suppliers and customers, the business cards of the employees who visits our office for various purposes. Mr. Dev got the answer for whatever the questions he has raised to Mr. Tally, and he is explaining it, saying yes, we can set reminders for various documents like vehicle insurance renewal, trade license renewal, employee visa, Emirates ID, passports, business contract renewal, and also we can attach check copies issued and received from customers and suppliers, labor contracts, business contracts, trade licenses of suppliers and customers, the tax registration certificates of suppliers and customers, and the business cards. Let me show you in Tally Prime application how we can set up this configuration. The first step is to set up the customization module in our F11 features. For setting up the F11 features, we will click on the company button over here and click on the features, and you can see a menu has been added over here, attach documents. So once you set this option as yes, Tally will give you a small box. There you can type the document description. For example, you want to add your trade license copy. So I will give the description as trade license. And I press enter. Tally will take me to the folder where the documents are lying. So I will choose my folder over here, YouTube documents, and I have my documents saved over here. I'll select my trade license and I press open. Okay, the path of the file will be displayed here, and you can set the document date and the expiry date of the document. That means you can set the trade license expiry date as well. So I am giving the date as 2/8/2023, which is valid for 1 year. Same way you can add additional documents also. There is no restriction. You can have unlimited documents attached to the screen. I'm adding my TRN number. I press enter on it. I will go to my folder, my company documents. I will add my TRN number and attach it. I will accept the same. I press Ctrl A to accept it, and the documents have been saved. Next, I will show you how to add attachments for our customers and suppliers. Here we have two scenarios. If we have already created a customer and you wanted to attach their documents to the system, you have to go to the alter button. You will go to the ledgers and you will select your customer or supplier. For example, this is my supplier, Saint Global LLC. I wanted to attach some of the documents against their name. So I will click on attach documents and I will set this option as yes. We get the screen, same screen. You will type the description, what exactly you would like to attach to their document, to their ledger name. So I am saying I'm going to attach their trade license copy. I'll type the description. I'll press enter. Tally will give me the options to select. from the folder. So I will go to my folder. I will click on my supplier documents. I'll select the trade license of the supplier. I click on open. The path of the file will be displayed here and also the expiry date. Here we can set the expiry date for the document for the trade license. For example, this trade license is expiring on 28th or 22nd of August 2022. I'm giving an example so that the report, when we see the report, this will be useful. You can have multiple documents attached to their name. I'm just attaching only one document and I'm accepting the screen. Same way, you can create your customers also. In this scenario, I'm selecting my customer as Next Move Shipping LLC. I'll go to Attach Documents and select this option as Yes. The screen appears. I'm going to attach their trade license copy. I press Enter. I'll click on my document. I'll click on Customer Documents, which is where I have copied. I will click on their trade license. I click on Open. And here also I will set the expiry date as 22nd 8 2022 just for the reporting purpose. And here I will be adding another document which is TRN. I'll press Enter. I'll go to the document folder, Customer Document, Trade License. This also expires on 28 to 2022 and I will accept the script. So this is how we attach customers and suppliers documents in the Tally application. The same way you can add your employee informations also in the system. For example, I have an employee here. So to alter that employee details, I'll go to the alter. I will click on my employee, select the person name. I have an option over here, attach documents. I'll set this option as yes. I want to update their Emirates ID in the system. I'll press enter. I'll go to my documents. I'll click on my company documents. I have the Emirates ID of the employee, which is here. I'll click on open and I set the expiry date for my employees Emirates ID. Same way, I wanted to attach their passport. I'll go to my documents. I'll click on the passports and I attach it and I set the expiry date as well and I accept the script. So this is how we attach employee informations in the Tally. Now if you wanted to know how to check how to open the attached documents, you can go to the alter button, you can go to ledgers, you can select your customer or supplier. On the right hand side you have an option called open attached documents. You can click on this button and you can see what are the documents which is attached against this customer will be displayed. You can just enter on it, the file will be opened. Same way, you can click on the other document and press enter, the file will be opened. You can also try for your supplier. You can click on the open attached documents. You can see the file will be, the path of the file will be displayed here. Just press enter to open the document. Same way, you can also have your employee's document open. You can go to the alteration of the employee screen, select the employee. You have open attached documents and you can see over here. Just click on the passport and enter it. It will open the file. Now we will see how to attach the documents in the entry screen. You will be having a lot of entries, payment, receipts, purchase, sales, and we have provided this attach option in all the voucher screens. So whenever you want to post any transaction or whenever you want to attach any documents to the transaction, you can utilize that facility. I will show you how to post one sales and purchase entry, then you will understand it. Go to vouchers. I'm in the purchase screen. I will key in the information of the supplier. I'll select my supplier name. I will accept all those informations. by pressing enter or by accepting by control A. I'll select my ledger. Here I wanted to add one document to this particular entry, so I will make this option as yes, and I'm attaching code, proved code against this transaction. I'll press enter. I'll go to the folder where I have the documents available. My documents are here. I select this particular file and I'll open it. And I can also set an expiry date for this particular document. So I'll keep 1 year as the expiry date. Then I will accept the entry. The same way you can have it for sales as well. You will select your customer. You will accept the screen by pressing Ctrl A. That is a shortcut key for accepting the screen. I'll select the ledger account. I'll give the amount over here, and then I will come to the attached documents field. I'll set this option as yes. I will give the description for the document. I will press enter. I'll go to the folder where the documents are saved. I'll go to my customer documents. I will attach this contract, open. I'll give a date for the contract, expiry date for the contract, that is 28/8/2022, and I will accept the screen. If you wanted to open this transactions, you can go to display, daybook, or you can go to display, accounts book, ledger, go to this particular customer or supplier name, enter on it, go inside that entry. You can see open attached documents, click on it, and you will see the path over here. Just like how we open the documents for our customers, TR and trade license copy, you can just enter on it, the same will be opened. Same way, you can go to the supplier as well. So this is how we post the entries in sales and purchases. The same way, you have these facilities available for your payment transactions. You can see over here the attached documents are available. Receipts, so you can attach your check copies, or the received check copies, you can attach it. Journals also you have the option to attach. So this will be useful whenever you wanted to open these documents. You can just go inside that transaction and open it. Let me show you how the reports looks like. We have added a utility here, documents expiry report. You can click on this report, and that has a format as shown. First will be the serial number, name, contact person, mobile number, document description, document date and document expiry date, and it is due in how many days. And we have also added some buttons over here, live documents, company documents, ledgers, which is ledger which has the documents and which is going to expire, the stock item which has the manufacturing date and expiry date which is going to expire, cost centers, the cost centers which you created as a job, and the job has an expiry date and due date, that will be displayed here. The employee documents will be displayed here, and a voucher has any contract, and that which the contracts which are expiring will be displayed here. Let's click on the live documents. We can see our own company documents will be displayed, and you can see it is due in 365 days. I'll go back to the same screen, and then I will click on the vouchers. You can see one of the documents which is expiring in 26 days. You can see, for the demo purpose, I have explained you I am going to create a date as expiry date as 28/8. So that date is displaying here, and you can see which will be expiring in 26 days. You can click on employees. Employee also, you can see there are Emirates ID which is going to be expired in 28 days. And you can see any ledgers, the ledgers, trade license, TRN, the ledger's name will be displayed here, whose trade license on the TRN will be expiring in the coming days. That will be displayed. So I hope the report is clear and you can pull out the information based on the document details which you have provided. And I hope you all like the document management module demo. As we discussed earlier, TallyPrime-Document Management module is a customized module. We have certain pricing for single user as well as for the multi-user customers. Let me explain the pricing policy here. For the single user license, the document management will cost 8,500 dirhams, and the documents will be saved locally in their computers. And for the multi-user customers, the pricing will be 80,000, and the document will be shared across the LAN and will be accessible for all client users. The same will be shared just like how we share our Tally data so that all the users can view the same. If you're all interested, we can also set a free 3 days trial version for you all, in which you can use this module for 3 days and you can experience how this works. And if you like it, you can buy it from us. If you don't like it, you can scrap that. If you like it, you can buy it and start using the same. And the documents, whatever you have saved in the last 3 days, will be available for you. I hope you like this document management module. If you have any doubts, clarification, please do reach out me on the email address, or you can WhatsApp me on the mobile number provided. Thank you so much.